Here we have a current Cx5 MAXX Sport rear fitted in plain black suede. So as you can see, separate headrests across the back. Seat still split fold 50-50. Also, being a KF, the center panel can fold down, which still works as per normal with our seat cover fitted. You've got a separate armrest in the middle, the drink holder and compartment, and the storage also accessible and functional with our seat cover fitted. ISOFIX provision on the bases, and all the top tether points on the back of the backrest are accessible with our seat covers fitted. We can ship a seat cover Australia wide, and we supply fitting instructions with all seat covers we post out as well.